5. Which word should be added to the beginning of sentence 8 to provide a better transition to the third paragraph? Okay, let's look at sentences 8 to 11. So we're going to transition from the end of paragraph 2 says these rocks are important because their spherical shape may have flowed over them for a substantial amount of time. Okay, so paragraph 2 was about how they found evidence of water. Paragraph 3 then goes into opportunity to continue to provide valuable data about craters and other surface features. So it had other benefits. And it also traveled a long distance, another contribution. So these look to be different benefits highlighted from the rover, different contributions the rover made. Let's go back and look at our potential transition ideas that might match. Overall, no, we're not going to say overall. Right? That doesn't indicate that we have other contributions other than water, finding evidence of water. Consequently, no, those secondary contributions of finding craters, etc., were not a result of the previous paragraph that we found water. Furthermore, yeah, this could be an additive point, right? So that's a possibility. And meanwhile suggests it's occurring at the same time. That's possible too. So this could be a difficult question. There are actually two choices that seem that they could work. Let's go back and see which might be better. Furthermore or meanwhile? Is it additive or is it the fact that it occurs at the same time? Which is absolutely correct here. So paragraph 4 starts off with during the rover's mission, blah, blah, blah. And 8 says opportunity continued to provide valuable data. So I get the sense that this time notion of its continuing suggests it might be meanwhile. Meanwhile, opportunity continued to provide valuable data. That seems to fit nicely. I could put in furthermore. Let's try that. Furthermore, opportunity continued to provide valuable data. Well, again, it looks like these are additive contributions, so that does seem to fit. But this part about continued to provide, it wouldn't furthermore continue to provide. They wouldn't have that phrase in there, furthermore, were the right transition before sentence 8 or at the beginning of sentence 8. I think meanwhile is the better fit just based on the actual language in the text here. So the correct answer, I believe, for number 5 is going to be meanwhile. But that is a tough one. I could see a lot of students choosing B, furthermore. Difficult problem, especially for a transition problem, which sometimes are considered easier than average, but not in this case.